Hello and welcome to the demonstration session by Nftically. In this video session today, we are going to talk about some of the main aspects such as what Nftically does, what are the significant features that make us stand apart, and how easy it is to launch an NFT marketplace with the solution that we offer. So let's start off with a little briefing about Nftically. Nftically offers a white label solution to anyone who's looking to create an NFT marketplace that can be aligned with the brand that they represent. Now you can be an artist, a curator, an enterprise, or an organization. Our solution fits all. So when we talk about the white label part of our solution, we provide you with the possibility to integrate your brand identity with your NFT marketplace. Right from the domain name to the important documents like privacy policy, all the crucial aspects can be customized easily. For instance, all the major elements visible on the screen right now, such as the store branding in terms of logo, the store title, the store description, the call to action button which is visible over here, the NFT which has been displayed on the home page, along with the home page background image, all these can be customized as per one's convenience. Further on, as we move down the home page, we will come across a section called Browse by Category. Now this particular section is provided to the user to enhance the experience in terms of navigating the NFTs available on the marketplace. All the categories visible here like art, virtual worlds, trading cards, etc. are provided on a default basis. However, if someone wants or wishes to customize this section, this is also completely achievable given this section is easily customizable. Now, as we move further, we will witness that the NFTs on this marketplace have started to pop up. So all the NFTs which are eventually going to be created on any marketplace would be categorized under different sections. For instance, the newly created NFTs would come up under the recently created tab. Further along, as we move on and we mint an NFT, that will be listed under the newly minted tab. Now once we move an NFT from the minted stage to the listing stage, or when you put it up on the sale, it will come under the available for sale tab. And the last stage would be once the NFT has been sold out, all the NFTs would line up under the recently purchased section. This is the outlay or the flow of the website homepage. Apart from this component, we also offer a unique place called the marketplace page. So let's quickly jump onto that. Now this marketplace page contains all the NFTs which this marketplace contains, and the users or the buyers get options to filter these NFTs based on different components. So the most prominent component over here is filtering the NFTs based on the blockchain networks. So suppose if a buyer wishes to purchase NFTs which might be on the Polygon blockchain, he or she just needs to select this Polygon blockchain network over here, and all the NFTs created on the respective blockchain would be listed. Similarly, NFTs can be filtered based on different status. For example, if someone chooses for sale option, NFTs which are available for sale will be displayed. Similarly, if upon choosing the new option, all the NFTs which are created recently would line up here. Similarly, another important categorization given over here is based on collections. So all the collections which have been deployed on the marketplace will be listed over here, and users will have the option to choose a particular collection from which they wish to purchase an NFT from. Apart from all these options, filtering the NFTs based on different categories is always a possibility. Now this particular marketplace page can also be set as the landing page for the NFT buyers. Now this was all about the marketplace section. We are moving towards the more and the core part of this entire solution, the store settings, or you can call it as the control panel. So let's quickly jump onto that. The My Store option opens up all the possibilities that the marketplace owner will have in terms of managing the marketplace efficiently and effectively. So this control panel is like the powerhouse of this entire engine, and all the elements, all the settings are provided over here, right from the very basics one to the very advanced ones. all the elements can be controlled from this entire store settings panel. So if we talk about the features and the functionalities that this store or the marketplace solution has, so the first one that we come across is updating the name and logo. These are the very basic settings. So using these facilities, we can change the appearance, the name, the logo of the store or the marketplace. We can update our contact us details, wherein the users can contact the marketplace owner. All these things can be used further. Apart from it, some of the crucial elements or the features, the unique features that we offer is one of the things called store fees. Now, this particular feature enables the marketplace owner to monetize their investment, in the sense that if you are a marketplace owner, you can levy a commission on all the transactions, whether primary or secondary, happening on your marketplace, and take a cut from those. So if you mention the store fees in primary sales, you will be liable to get that percentage directly in your wallet once any transaction is facilitated on your marketplace. Similarly, you can also apply a commission or a store fees in the secondary sales happening on your marketplace. That's how we enable the store marketplace owners to monetize the investment and the efforts they have invested in creating this NFT marketplace. Apart from it, there are very advanced features that we offer, such as these are the multiple blockchain networks that we offer. So any marketplace can use all the blockchains that are available, or they can customize their blockchain networks depending on what kind of NFTs they are dealing with. Moving on, we have also provided the options of enabling Web 2 login, the simple email-based login, or Web 3 login, the crypto wallet-based login for the marketplaces. So it depends on the marketplace owner and their respective audience, whichever way they want their users to log into the marketplace. So if you want a simple login, the default login can be made as the Web 2 login, where users come and they log in based using their email address, while if you want more Web 3 oriented login, then you can enable the Web 3 login, where users would be required to link their crypto wallets to the marketplace. So depending on what kind of audience you have the ability and the flexibility to choose the login options for your audience. Moving on, we also provide another functionality to enable ERC20 tokens of your own on the NFT marketplace, and these tokens can be added as another mode of payment for your audience. So these ERC20 tokens can be enabled on various blockchain networks that we offer, such as Ethereum, Polygon, Binance, Kronos, Avalanche, etc. Moving on, we also provide you with the options of enabling KYC for both buyers and sellers. So once you enable this feature, anyone who purchases or wishes to buy or wishes to sell on your marketplace, they would first have to complete this KYC process. Upon completing the process, the user will be able to make the NFT purchase, or they will be able to sell it, and all these are provided to you in the documented forms. As we have discussed earlier, that categories can be customized using this option. Moving on, we have important documents already provided to our users. So standard documents like privacy policy, terms and conditions, community guidelines, risk policy, refund policy are all provided in an editable format, and store owners can go through these documents and make the required changes as per their wishes. Apart from that, we also offer the flexibility to the marketplace owner to feature the fiat on-ramp option on their marketplace. Now this option enables the marketplace owners to provide an additional feature to their users, where the users can simply come and they can add funds to their crypto wallet directly using their credit or debit card. So this is a very flexible option in terms of if somebody wants to buy any crypto and if they lack any funds, they can simply use their credit card in order to add the crypto to their wallet and make the purchase. Apart from it, we also give you the flexibility of whether you want to turn on the make offer button or NFTs or not. So all these things can be used to customize the NFT marketplace as per your requirement. Moving on, we provide different inbuilt tools, and one of them is SEO. So in order to make your NFT marketplace rank higher on the search engine rankings, you can use different elements like meta tags, a right keyword, right meta description, Tools like RoboTXT, sitemaps, RSS feed, all these can be used directly in the marketplace in order to enhance the visibility of our NFT marketplace when somebody searches for a related keyword. Now, this is an important feature wherein you can customize the look and feel of your NFT marketplace. So we offer different color palette. So you can choose any of the color themes available over here for your marketplace, and we also offer different themes for the look of your marketplace. So right now this is a different theme. Apart from which, we also offer a regular theme which works on a light mode. Moving on, this header section allows you to change the store title, store description. This feature will help you to add the custom links on the home page, and over here you can change the background image of the home page of the website. Moving on, this feature will allow you whether you want to feature any particular NFTs on your homepage or you're not. So if you enable this feature, you will be able to choose any 4 best of your NFTs that will be featured on the homepage. Under other section, you will be able to turn off the footer section, turn on or off the getting started section. You can feature the top collections on your homepage, feature the top sellers on your homepage. You can also switch off, turn on or turn off the browse by category section. All these elements are given to give you the complete control over your marketplace. We also have a direct and transparent billing opportunity and a functionality for all the users. So in any way, if any user wants to upgrade their plan or they want to change their plan, they can with complete transparency do so from their store dashboard. This is an important feature where the marketplace owner or the store admins get the offer of controlling the user behavior on their NFT marketplace. So amongst all these list of accesses, the one that you choose, that will set the access that your visitors will have on the marketplace. So suppose if you set it at sell, buy, bid and offer access, anybody who is coming to your marketplace will be able to sell their NFT, buy your NFT, bid on it and make offer. That's it. So you can set what all accesses you want to give to your users. Similarly, you can also build or add your team members to your marketplace to manage it more effectively. So all you need to do is give your team member the name, their wallet address and the role that you would like them to play. So somebody could be the admin, somebody could be the admin plus NFT manager, somebody could be the blog manager, etc. and etc. That's how you create an entire team that would be managing your marketplace. Now we also offer some of these intelligent business tools, like for integration or at any stage you want to run a complete white label emailing campaign, you can integrate third-party tools like MailChimp or MadMimi directly to your NFT marketplace. Similarly, in order to track the analytics and the key metrics of the performance of your marketplace, you can use tools like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Mixpanel, Facebook Pixel. All these tools can be used. Now blog section will enable you to create dedicated blog page on your NFT marketplace. So simply you just have to add a post and the post will be created and people would be able to come to your marketplace, read your blogs, be educated about what kind of blogs, what kind of NFTs this marketplace has to offer. Moving on, this My Account section will be visible to all the users and this enables them to set a profile of their own. The wallet section helps to keep a track of all the fundings, all the funds that are there in the wallet, etc. The payout group is a very standard apart element that we offer. So in case you want to automate the revenue splitting part of your NFT sale, you want to automate the revenue splitting, you can create a payout group. You can add all the beneficiaries in the payout group, give their wallet address and give the percentage in which you want a particular beneficiary to receive that amount. All you need to do is create a group, attach it to an NFT, and once the NFT is sold out, all the beneficiaries added in the payout group will receive their direct cut directly into their wallet without any manual intervention. So this helps you to streamline the revenue splitting part of your NFT sales. Similarly, any user or the store owner or the admin can also complete their own KYC on the marketplace. Now another crucial feature that we offer is airdrops. So airdrops are used either to launch NFTs in bulk. So if you have multiple thousands of NFTs to be dropped in one go, you can achieve that using our airdrop facility. Or if you want to conduct a free giveaway for your audience on a large scale, then airdrop is the mode for you. So you can create airdrops for both ERC-721, that is non-fungible tokens, and for semi-fungible tokens under ERC-1155 protocols. Moving on, we also offer you a gated link concept. So if you want to drive your NFTs based on any utility, you have some utility that you want to offer to your audience, so you can secure that utility on a link. You can lock that link with your NFTs, and if anybody wants to access that link, they would be needed to have your NFTs in your wallet. So once somebody has your NFTs in the wallet, that link will be accessible to them. So that's how you gate a link, and that link can be unlocked using your NFTs. Similarly, we also have another interesting feature called waitlist. So creating the hype about NFTs is very crucial to make any drop successful. So even before making your NFT drop live, you can create a waitlist feature wherein people will get an option to whitelist or register their wallets for the drop. So once the drop will go live, these addresses or these people will get the preference over others. So that's how you create a hype, a craze amongst your audience regarding your NFT drops. Now we come to the concrete part of this entire solution, creating the NFTs and the collections. So to create a new NFT, we first have to create a collection. Now a collection is first deployed on the blockchain, which acts as a bucket, and inside that bucket you add your NFTs. So the first step towards creating an NFT is to deploy a collection, and in order to deploy, we first need to create a collection. So we'd create a collection, and once you click on that, you will see that we get two options. Either we can deploy our own new smart contract, or if you want to use a shared smart contract, that is also an option on Nftically. Now at this point, we would like to inform you that minting on Polygon blockchain network is absolutely gasless on Nftically. It is completely sponsored by Nftically for all its users. So if you want to use Polygon blockchain network, the cost of minting the NFTs will be zero for you. So it will be a gasless process wherein you don't need to pay any gas on Polygon blockchain network in order to create your NFTs. However, if you're using any other blockchain network like Ethereum or Binance and still want to save on the gas, then you can use our option of shared smart contract. Similarly, you can also apply royalties on your collection, and these royalties are on-chain royalties. So whenever your NFT will be traded in the secondary marketplace, the creator of the NFT will be liable to get that royalties later on as well. Apart from creating the NFTs and all these elements, we do offer another section called reports. The report section will allow the store admins and the NFT marketplace owners to get crucial data based on a particular collection or an NFT, along with the timestamp and the wallet addresses that have actually made the purchase. So all the critical activity on the store can be mapped directly with the reports generated on the store itself. So that's how we aim to provide you with a complete solution inside the NFT marketplace only. So that is all we have for you, and this is a genuine attempt to enhance the Web 3.0 experience for everyone and anyone who's looking forward to enter this space. So Nftically aims to make this space more easy to use and more user friendly. So thank you for your time and see you soon.